Hi people, this is Nettie again. Okay, what's going on with this here? I don't know. I planted some potatoes. I've been trying to learn how to plant potatoes. I never could get it right. So I put them inside here and see if I have it right. The last time I checked it, there was potato there. A beautiful potato growing its roots, but that's about it. I haven't seen nothing else. So I'm gonna check. I need the space. I just have a balcony, so I need the space. So if there's nothing down there, I'm just taking everything out and plant some other plants there. The other thing I want to say is that be paying attention at the end of the video. There will be a shout out. Yes, a shout out. So I'm gonna try and see if I could do this in every single video. I know sometimes I don't keep my promise, but as you know, sometimes I forget things. But there's gonna be a shout out at the end of this video. So let me get going with this, and I'll show you. I'll come right back and show you what I found in there. So far, this is what I found. A sucked up part of a potato. That's what I found. So let me keep digging. The dirt is very light, as you can see. It's very light, and I don't see nothing. I didn't plant it so down, so I don't know where it is. So I guess there ain't no potatoes in here. I thought that was there ain't no potatoes. They got sucked down. What's this? Nah. There ain't no potatoes in here. I don't know where they went. All I saw was that thing there, all sucked up, and that's about it. So, what I'm going to do with this place, with this thing, is that I'm going to grow something else. Yes, something else. Something that will give me some sort of fruit or veggie or something. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to plant here. But I'm planning to plant some peanuts. I want to plant peanuts. I love peanuts. Especially if they're salty. I don't know they're going to grow because I told the person who was going to buy it to buy it unsalted. Because, salty, I think they boil it. So I told them not to get me that kind. But they didn't listen. No, they never listened to me. Okay, I don't see nothing here. Another sucked up tomato, I think is the potato. Yep, another sucked up potato. There ain't nothing in here. There was one there, and the other day, in the other video, I took it out and showed it. It was showing some roots, but then I think that's the sucked up one. So I guess I ain't having no potatoes. Thank God the potatoes here are not that expensive. You couldn't even get it on special. So, I don't know. I probably just stopped thinking about potatoes and think about something else. I'll see what I could plant here. But I'm going to see if I put more dirt over there. Take advantage. I'm putting it in here. So, I'm going to take some of this, put it in there, drag it all the way over there, and see if I could put it in on top of my eggplant. Because it has a lot of eggplant. And we're in the seasons of the ants. It's time for the ants, and the ants are very pesky. They don't leave the leaves alone. As you can see right here, it's I had to cut all of it down, and I think these are their eggs, and I had to put neem on it, so they died off. Now I just got to clean it out. That one too. This one right here. This one right there. Okay, so since we haven't seen nothing here, let's go and plant some dirt over there. Well, since there ain't no potatoes, I'm gonna get at least 3 or 4 of my aloe vera and put it in here. Cause I asked my aunt that she would like some. She told me yes. So it still keep growing little babies back there, as you can see. As you can see right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out at least 3 and give it to her. And plant it in here. Well, I think she's gonna love it. It has one there, 2. This is from this one. It's giving 2 more babies. plus this one. So, oh, and then this one has a little side shoot coming out right through there. So she's gonna love this plant, but I think she's gonna pretty soon gonna have to replant because these grow very fast. As you can see, not long ago I showed you this plant. Let me show you how far I took out. It grows from the plant. I thought it was like a stem of the roots will go right back up and plant it, but no, it's from the same stem of the big one, of the mother. So I cleared it out a little bit. I think that she's still having babies, so and I have to water it more because that what means is that they think they're gonna die, so then they start shooting the babies out. So I think I'm gonna have to add more water so she do not keep having babies. And I'm gonna add a little more dirt here, you know, on top. So because as you can see, the roots of the eggplant is right there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. So I'm gonna cover it up because I couldn't deep down too much because it would end up at the end of the canister. This canister is smaller than my coriander. So and I couldn't put it in that side because I have my coriander already there. Or else I would have put my coriander here and would have put her over there. Well, I didn't think about it. Now I have to think about what I'm gonna do with my tomato. But for now, I'm just gonna show this, and I'm gonna add some more dirt there, and I'm gonna add a little more water. I also gotta water my corianders. As you can see, they kind of dried out, and it rained a lot, so I didn't wet them because it rained a lot. I also was thinking while I was doing that, as you can see right here, I have onion. This is onion, and it has 3 babies. I feel like leaving it up there, and when I could cut them, maybe I use that for that space right there where the potatoes was, and use it for onions. Oh God, I don't know what's wrong with me. And as you can see, there's a lot of flowers on my eggplant, and they starting to give out how you call it, egg fruits. As you can see, the flower already fell, and now I'm just waiting for the fruit to come out, and I hope they do not die. So I'm trying to take care of them as much as I can. There's as low as down here, and I think this one already threw out the flower. Oops, don't fall, child, don't fall. Yep, it threw out the flower, and it's very strong, so I think this one is gonna make it. And if a few of them makes it, I'll be sharing with my family. She's a gardener, a very good gardener, and she watches my videos a lot, comments a lot, you know. So I decided to give her the number one, the first one to go into my shout out. So her name is Patricia. I hope I say her name right. Ncube. Okay, it's Ncube. Ncube. So if I said it wrong, I'm sorry. You know, my language is a little, you know, but it's the first time I hear the last name, that kind of a last name. So that's why I got a lot of confusion. But she knows I love her very much, and she's gonna be the number first one that's gonna get the shout out. I would like for you to check her out. I'm gonna put a link in the bottom. She is a great person. She does a lot of gardening, and she's good at it, you know. So I watch her a lot too. So God bless you all, and until next time. And please share. The most I want you to do is share. You know, share the videos. You know, we're gonna have to need. I have the thousands, but I don't have the 4,000 to keep getting paid. So my payment went off, and I need it because, you know, this costs money, and I don't want to be asking for people for money. I want to just ask for the share. If you keep sharing my videos, I could, you know, get the 4,000 the 4,000 hour views, and then they'll be put me back into the Essence program, which I don't need a lot. I just need enough to buy plants and dirt and how you call it, all these stuff that the plants needs, their vitamins. Right now I have to buy vitamins, and I have to save up the money because I ain't got no money. But I got some chump change that I'm gonna change, and from there I'm gonna buy the vitamins for them. So, but for next time, I don't know what I'm gonna do. But if you share, that's all I'm asking, for you to share my videos, and how you call it, wherever you can, if you can, if you want to. But I would like for you to share, because this way I could just grow, get my 4,000 that I need. I need like another 2,000, I think it is, and or 1,000 something. I'm not too sure how much I need, because I don't know if I got the two channels, Spanish channel and the English channels. Is the same Essence and is the same Gmail. So I assume that both of them is added together. So that at least helps me out a little more. But I don't want to get all talking about that too much. Okay, I want to say I'm gonna put the link of Patricia. I would like for you to check her out. If you're not subscribed to her and you would love to subscribe to her, I would really appreciate it. So God bless you all. Until next time. Bye bye.